In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency on MetaTrader 5. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, knowing how to adjust settings to suit your preferences is crucial. Let's dive right in. First, you're going to want to start by opening MetaTrader 5 on your computer. This is the foundational step because without having the application running, you won't be able to make any changes. Once it's open, take a moment to ensure everything has loaded correctly. Sometimes the application might take a while, especially if there are pending updates or a slow internet connection. Next, navigate to the top menu and click on File. From there, select Open an Account. This option is essential because it leads you to the settings where various elements of your trading experience can be tailored. If you're familiar with other systems, this could be loosely compared to choosing your default settings. After selecting Open an Account, you will be prompted to choose your company. Depending on your broker or trading provider, this list might look different. Once you've located your company, go ahead and click Next. Don't worry if you don't see your provider immediately, as you may need to scroll through the options available. At this juncture, you will need to select the type of account you intend to use. Whether it's a demo account for practicing your strategies, a live account for real trading, or an existing trade account you've used previously, picking the right one is crucial. Each account type has its own settings, so ensure you're selecting the one that matches your current needs and goals. Once you've selected your account type, click Next, and you'll be prompted to enter your personal information. Remember, accuracy here is paramount. The information you enter ties your account to you, ensuring the security and personalization of your trading experience. Following this, you'll come to the point where you can choose your preferred currency. Here's where you can align the settings with your trading strategy or regional preferences. Take your time to review the options and decide which currency best suits your needs. Almost at the finish line, all you need to do is check the box that indicates I agree to the terms of use. Then click Next to complete the process. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully changed the currency on MetaTrader 5. This process not only allows for a personalized trading environment, but also enhances your overall experience by aligning it with your specific requirements. If you ever need to adjust other settings, you'll find them in similar sections of the application. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!